Hey, welcome back to my channel at Ayana Supreme, where I do wig reviews, locks tutorials, and I like to have hair conversations. In this particular video, we will review a wig from Amazon by Outre. Okay, so I was super excited to try this Outre synthetic eye part Swiss lace front wig. Her name is Stevie. Say hey, Stevie. Hey, how are you? Yes. The color is DRFF4/CHAM, which is short for champagne. So I was super excited because of the two blonde main highlights in the front, and how it is basically ombre. It's a longer ombre. The brown comes all the way down, and then there's a lot of blonde left. I was hoping that I could look just almost as beautiful as the model in the photo. So this is my journey to see if that really does translate for me. So I'm analyzing the situation at this point. I have my scissors ready, but I also wanted to give you guys a look at the interior of the wig, which is always very important. It has 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back for that security that I love so much. You know this, okay? It does have that elastic band in the back, which I usually take apart because I want to have as much room as humanly possible, being that I do have locks beneath the wig. So that is my process. And you guys also know, because of my prior videos that you have watched in its entirety, that I now cut the lace off prior to actually putting it on. It just is a little bit easier for me that way. I'm still figuring these things out, so maybe that may change, but that is my new way of doing things. trying on a new wig is like going on a first date, kind of. Like, do we mesh? Do we fit well? Do we have common likes and dislikes? You know what I mean? I like this wig, despite the fact that it is an eye part. I was able to secure it, and it didn't reveal the fact that I have locks beneath them necessarily. But I'm not exactly sure that this is my vibe. Like, I love this brand so much because it is more on the big head friendly side because of, you know, the fact that I do have a lot of hair beneath. I need the room that other brands just usually aren't able to give to me. I like this wig, but it is not my favorite wig. I have others that I really, really, really prefer. She's decent. I would go around the block with her. I would probably go like to a bar with her. There is some shedding with this unit as opposed to some of the other units that I have worn before. I will talk about what I do like. I like that it is a bit complementary to my complexion. It's just, it's not my favorite. It's definitely not my favorite. I would probably wear her again, maybe with like a different color. I do not give up on wigs. Sometimes if it doesn't work out the first time, I will revisit them. But yeah, she's cool. I get that hot comb and just flatten her a bit. And I also add a little bit of foundation and everything like that. But she's cool. Like, I don't hate it. I'm just not, like, deeply in love. What do you think? Even though I am a mother of 4, I am also a vixen, okay? In my mind. my alter ego is like hot, spicy mommy. Okay, so I changed the outfit, I changed the dress, I changed the lip color because I needed to let the wig inspire me, and this is the direction that she put me in, and now I'm feeling a lot more confident in my ability to pull this off. I'm loving it a lot more now. And sometimes I feel like that's very important to do, to change up certain details of trying to pull off a look. You know, so sometimes like it's what I'm wearing or my lip color or whatever, to pull off the wig and, you know, whatever I'm trying to do. So I thought this is really cute, and I did add that foundation in. The hair is flat with the flat iron. I'm feeling a lot more attractive and confident in this unit. So now I'm like, okay, yes, I like her. I love her. So I'll give this unit a 7 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me everywhere. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.